Hello, good evening, and welcome to the Royal Opera House for the 2014 Academy Awards. Our host, the Royal Academy of Engineering, brings together 1,500 leading engineers to promote, support, and recognise engineering in all its forms. Tonight, the Academy has brought us all together to recognise and celebrate the work of great engineers whose ingenuity and innovations are having a positive impact on all of our lives.
Your Royal Highness, my lords, ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all here to the Academy Awards. Our theme tonight is Engineering the Nation. Our nation is founded on great engineering that made enormous changes on these islands, then went forth and changed the world. As the economy recovers, we can all be heartened by the government's adoption of a modern industrial strategy built upon growth sectors. And the Academy was very happy to champion this significant cause. Visiting around our country, I've been deeply encouraged by the closer links between university engineering research, the new catapult centres, and our industrial companies. The combination of these vital developments will increase our competitiveness and support export-led growth. I believe there is a shift taking place in our national culture, from the top of government to better appreciate the role of engineering in our society. I have in my gift a special award, the President's Medal, and I've decided this year to recognise someone who has worked tirelessly to promote engineering as a career and the work of the Academy. I have the greatest pleasure in presenting Dr. Dame Sue Aon with the President's Medal. And Dame Sue, can you join us on the stage, please?
It was one of the proudest moments of my life to be elected a fellow of this august body, and to receive this medal today, which is recognition from the peers, my fellow engineers in the Academy, is just incredible when you look at the talent that has received it in the past. So I'm very proud and very grateful.
But this is a very special evening because we do celebrate some very remarkable things that are going on in this country and the people who are creating them and the range of those activities. So it is absolutely fascinating to see what's been going on. The extraordinary capabilities that we have in this country to make a change to the quality of life and at every level, but also to the economy. This is a really important evening from that perspective, and I'm delighted to be able to join you. But we are looking to the future, and we can celebrate what we have achieved today.
So John has done a huge amount. He's done a huge amount to encourage people from all walks of life into engineering by supporting trailblazer initiatives to promote apprenticeships, to help the Academy and the Royal Aeronautical Society more than halfway to their target of an extra 500 people completing an MSc in aerospace, and to raise awareness of the wider socioeconomic benefits the sector delivers.
Tonight is about recognizing our next generation of great engineers, and those who are already excellent role models who no doubt help inspire young engineers. Petrofac's continued support of the Royal Academy's Rising Star Awards demonstrate the value and emphasis we place on developing and recognizing the achievements of the next generation. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you.
The McRobert Award has been celebrating the best in the nation's engineering innovation since 1969, with winners including the CT scanner, the Severn Bridge, catalytic converters, and a pioneering bionic hand. This year's finalists are no exception to the rule of engineering excellence, coupled with commercial success and a tangible benefit to society.
Here to receive their 2014 McRobert Award finalist certificates from CEMARC are the teams from those three companies. Cobalt Light Systems is shortlisted for its airport security scanner for liquids, the Insight 100. Optosense, shortlisted for distributed acoustic sensing using existing fibre optic cables. Rolls-Royce, of course, shortlisted for Lift System, the world's first vertical takeoff system for a supersonic fighter jet. What achievements. Thank you, Sir Mark, and many congratulations to our 3 teams tonight.
This year's Major Project Award goes to a company that has embraced our nation's engineering prowess and transformed the King's Cross area beyond all recognition, is Arrow.
May I invite Dr. McFarlane and Dr. Heath, please, to join us to receive the awards.
Good evening. The silver medals recognise outstanding personal contributions to engineering that have resulted in commercial success. So, please welcome to the stage our silver medalist. Peter, you helped grow Concrete Canvas. It's now a successful, award-winning company, but what exactly is it?
So Concrete Canvas is a material impregnated with a dry concrete mix.
Concrete Canvas is now selling into over 40 countries around the world. We've seen very good growth. We've doubled every year for the last 5 years.
I found Monadics in 2009 and to check for certain kind of critical software, critical error in software. And then this kind of errors were pretty difficult to find. Until 10 years ago, you can only find on a very small program, like 100 lines of code. But now, with our technology, we managed to run regularly on industrial software that is like large, with many millions of lines of code.
The Trentix WB engine. So it's
tell me about it.
So it's the world's most fuel-efficient aero engine. It'll save a huge amount of money for the airlines and save lots of emissions to make the world a more environmental place.
Dr. Diane Cran has played a pivotal role in setting up the engineering masterclasses, which she developed in 2008 after receiving a Royal Academy of Engineering Ingenious grant.
It's just amazing. I just couldn't believe it. It was so exciting. And when I look back at the other people who've been awarded in the past, I thought they've made a mistake. Really.
Good evening. This year's winner of the Prince Philip Medal is a pioneer and champion of electrical vehicles. Professor C.C. Chan is an honorary professor at the University of Hong Kong and has contributed much to the rapidly developing field, particularly in optimization of electrical motors to power vehicles.
I think this honor is not belong to me. Also belong to my teachers, my colleagues, my students. So I feel very honored, and I will do my utmost, continue to serve the engineering profession globally.
And the winner of the Royal Academy of Engineering MacRobert Award for 2014 is Cobalt Light Systems.
Members of the Royal Academy of Engineering, thank you very, very much for this award. It really is a great surprise and a great honour. As you can imagine, many people have contributed to this technology and this development, so I'd really like to thank all of my colleagues at Cobalt Light Systems for their really tireless hard work and dedication over the last few years.